Hey friends, if you wish to log on to your ChatGPT account, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for ChatGPT in the browser search bar and then you can go to ChatGPT. See, here's the interesting thing. If you're doing it on Bing, they will keep on pushing for Copilot and then you can click on login. Even without logging in, you can use it, but logging in makes it a customized experience and allows you to use more features. Now you can either log in with the email address or your phone number or with either your Microsoft, Google or Apple account. Now, an obvious thing is that people will log in using their my Google account because it is more common. Okay, so I will log in using my account. Okay, I'll use a different account then. I'll click on login with Google, and then I will check this account and let's see if we are able to sign in. Yes, we are in it now. Okay, now I can use it with customized experiences. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.